If you have a Kohler Courage single cylinder engine and the choke plate in the carburetor likes to stick in the closed position, today I'm going to show you what I do to fix that. So the choke plate has a return spring, but sometimes that spring isn't strong enough to return the choke to the off or open position. Here's what I've done. You can see right up here, this is where the arm sticks up for the choke control. And this is for a separate cable. You can actually hook it up to right here if it isn't a throttle and choke in one, which is controlled only by this thing. So what you can do here is get a light duty spring, that stretches quite a bit, and you can hook it up to this hole right there and then hook it around right here. Just make a little divot so it stays there, or you could drill a small hole for it, and that will pull it back to the open position as soon as it is removed off of choke. Now you want to make sure the spring isn't too strong, otherwise it may be difficult to put choke into the on position. So that's what I've often done there to fix that issue.